come out here, the fishing was slow for a little while. When the sun went down and the tide started to move, the fish were popping up all over the place. You could hear them off in the distance. They were crushing us. I think we were like 0 for 8. Finally, we got one to stick. Musso done whooped off on them. Got the fish, and we're all running that dog right now. And we're real proud of Musso. That might have been my biggest jack. Dog.